Today, I take great pleasure in welcoming you all on this momentous occasion of our annual day celebrations to share some splendid moments of pure delight and joy in witnessing the Globalites perform and regale in the theme for today's function, Sarthi, We All Need One. Sarthi, who plays an important role in our lives, offering guidance and direction to each one of us at every step. GGS, a progressive school providing 21st century skills which are of paramount importance in a child's life today, preparing her or him beyond books. The school promotes a variety of skills that go beyond the books, smart and basic reading and writing skills. The school aims to prepare students for the uncertainties of tomorrow. The school provides skills such as adaptability, creativity, critical thinking, making students more rational and competent. Aligning our thought with the vision of the school, that is empowering young minds, the school that was established in the year 2008 with just 58 students in the first session has come a long way from being a primary school to one of the most coveted senior secondary schools of Tri-City, today running at its full capacity of 1,426 students. For the past 3 years, we have been ranked number 2 by the Times survey. With technologically updated smart classes, well-equipped labs, well-stocked library, and professionally managed medical room and age-appropriate play areas, state-of-the-art playground, the school is keenly working towards shaping the dreams of the students across classes nursery to grade 12. We are proud to announce that in the past year, that is in 2023, we inaugurated the Itsy Bitsy Corner, definitely a fun name, but an elegant, creative skill set park, which was set up with an objective of developing fine and gross motor skills of students and to enable them to indulge in meaningful learning coupled with fun. Gurukul Global School in the year 2023 achieved yet another milestone with setting up of the production and broadcast studio. Sports forms an integral part of the curriculum. The school offers various indoor and outdoor sports arenas like carom, chess, table tennis, taekwondo, yoga, cricket, basketball, lawn tennis, and skating. The school provides generous free ships and scholarships to the Globalites excelling in various sports. Even more proud to update you all that this year our school basketball team has lifted the Winners' Cup in all the 4 major basketball championships consecutively. The school has initiated certain inter-school events that are hailed very dearly not only by Tri-City schools but also across the nation. Gurukul Global School Leadership Conclave. This was initiated in order to give the youth a global perspective and enable them to embrace global problems and develop a solution-finding mindset. Vidya Parvati Memorial Inter-School Competition, which is an annual event conducted in the memory of 2 very strong ladies, late Srimati Vidya Devi ji and late Srimati Parvati Sethia ji, ancestors of our management members, who were extremely progressive-minded and way ahead of their times in order to commemorate their lives and vision. Devraj Malik Memorial Invitational Basketball National Level Tournament is commemorated in the memory of Shri Devraj Malik ji, father of our Honorable School President Srimati Neena Sethia ji, with the main objective of motivating the young brigade of sports persons towards the game of basketball. School Managing Director Shri Parveen Sethia ji was awarded Peace Award. And the year 2023-2024 happened to be a great milestone year for us, as there was a grand achievement for the school as Akshada Sharma emerged as a Tri-City topper in class 10 board exam. Akshada Sharma attained 99.2% aggregate with 300s to her credit. CBSE board class 12th result was also another great grand achievement for us, as Mayank Jain secured 97.6% to make us proud, followed by Seerat Bansal at 97.2% and Shreya Garg at 96.2%. Amongst our star globalites, we had Mayank, who bagged the AIR 68 in JEE Advanced 2024, followed by Paki and Arushi, who achieved AIR 2006 and 9123 respectively. Our young writers have also been making us proud. Our budding authors, Manya Gupta from class 9, has already authored short stories 101 and Poetry for the Soul and Just a Fairy Tale, whereas Arav Goyal of class 8 has 2 books to his credit, Why Mango Became a Seasonal Fruit and The Mystery of Secrets. Our international stars in sports, Ravinder Kaushik, Sanju Gabhia and Gaurav Kumar Singh got selected by Chandigarh Basketball Association to attend the prestigious national coaching camp for the FIBA Asia Under-18 Basketball Championship. Our international star Harkuvar Singh represented India in table tennis in WTT Youth Contender held at San Francisco, USA. Our international tennis star Shravasti Kundalia is ranked 19,674 in the universal tennis rating among female players in the world. Our international table tennis star Mana Lantal represented India and played round 16 and under 15 girls single at the WTT Youth Contender Championship. And definitely this is not the end, for we believe that school is a building which has 4 walls with tomorrow inside. We as educators at Gurukul Global School put in our best to make sure that the future citizens are taken care of wholeheartedly and morphed into being complete, holistically developed individuals. I would once again like to convey my gratitude to students and staff members of the school for making this complete journey of the students with us a memorable experience. And a big thank you to the proud parents without whose support we could not have come this far. Thank you all so much.
The celebrations just don't stop here. Get ready, as it is now time to release our yearly school magazine, Global Nilaya.
Honorable Principal of the Gurukul Global School, esteemed teachers, distinguished guests, Dr. Lisa, a remarkable person. She is a Science and Education Counselor, Embassy of Finland, and dear students, and last but not the least, Mr. and Mrs. Setia, and my friend Mr. Diman. So first of all, I would like to join me seek the blessings of Guru Gobind Singh Maharaj. आज मैंने इत्थे आके बड़ा अच्छा लगा और सब तो बड़ी गल जी मैंने अपील की है कि मुझे बहुत पसंद आई, ये फर्स्ट एवर फंक्शन है जिसमें टीचर्स को ऑनर्स किया। दिस इज वेरी रिमार्केबल। जिन्नी मर्जी माड़ी सिचुएशन हो गई, जी स्माइल है ना वो जिंदगी च रखनी है। अद्धी जिंदगी की प्रॉब्लम तो सॉल्व हो जाती है सिर्फ स्माइल के नाल। हमेशा चढ़ती कला च रहना, खुश रहना। जो मांगे ठाकुर अपने ते सोई सोई दे। मतलब जो आपने निश्चय करके मांग लिया ना भगवान से, वो आपको मिलेगा ही मिलेगा। जो मैं आ रहा सी अंदर तो मैं गायत्री मंत्र सुने, यार क्या बात है, कमाल की गल है। जदों असीं अपनियां जड़ां नाल जुड़ांगे, साडे वेद, साडे पुराण, ये साडियां जड़ां ने, उन्हां नाल जुड़ना चाहिए। दुनिया की विजडम उहदे च पई है, दुनिया की बंदे मैं देखिया जी बच्चे बड़े टैलेंटेड है। और एक होर है, मुंडिया ने बड़ा अच्छी तुसी ट्रेनिंग दी हुई, जेड़ा भी होता पैरियां थलाउंदा सी। वैल्यूज, असल एजुकेशन वैल्यूज, इम्पार्टिंग द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ वैल्यूज। जेड़े तुसी वैल्यूज सिखाउने हो कि 2 दूनी 4 करना सब सीख जाते हैं। हाँ हाँ, ABC पढ़ना सब सीख जाते हैं, लेकिन जिंदगी दे विच वैल्यूज, कदर कीमतां उच्चा रखना, ये बड़ी वड्डी गल है। तो बच्चों, मैनूं अज बड़ा अच्छा लग्या। ज़्यादा मैं दिल करता से तुहाडे नाल काफ़ी ज़्यादा बोला, पर सेहत अजे उन्नी ठीक नहीं हुई, काफ़ी ठीक हो गई, 90% ठीक हो गया, इसलिए ना बोल पाया। सो थैंक यू वेरी वेरी मच। मैंने लगता कि गुरुकुल ग्लोबल स्कूल और एज ए स्टूडेंट विल मेक अस प्राउड, मेक इंडिया प्राउड, मेक दिस रीजन प्राउड। थैंक यू वेरी मच। जय हिंद।
Dear students, parents, teachers, chief guests, principals and directors. Not to forget also all the support staff of the school, which includes everybody from cleaners, kitchen staff, drivers, and everybody who is working at school, making our school days brilliant. It's my pleasure and honor to be here with you today at Gurukul Global School and being part of you after seeing all these great achievements you have done. I'll start first a little bit about Finland and Finnish education because I'm here representing Finnish government. As you might know, Finland has been already seven years the most happiest nation in the world. But we don't need to be happy, and we are not like laughing happy all the time, but we need to have a positive mindset. We should be satisfied on all the good we have, and that is Finnish happiness. So all the best to all of you.